Yo! I'm gonna show you how to remove these Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio brake calipers quick and easy. Let's go!
On the front caliper, first disconnect the brake sensor. Then use a T55 torque speed to remove these two screws. Next, use any type of tool that fits through these holes and a hammer to loosen the pins. Then you can carefully take the caliper off the brake disc. To disconnect the caliper from the brake line, spin the caliper to unscrew it. On the back caliper, start by disconnecting the sensor. Use the same T55 torque speed to remove these two screws. Remove the pins using a screwdriver and a hammer. Take the caliper off the brake disc and spin it to unscrew it from the brake line. For the other caliper in the back, you need a T50 Torx to remove these two screws. Remove the safety pins and then use any tool and a hammer to push the pins out. Lastly, take the caliper off and remove the sensor using a small flathead screwdriver. That's it.